Hello students, this is the video for trigonometry of class 11, the continued part of the trigonometry, but not the concluding. There are so many parts of the trigonometry, so I'm making this is the part 5 by taking this book Understanding ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. Exercise 3.5. I have told the some questions of the same exercise 3.5. Now the some more questions of the exercise 3.5. Like question number 23. There are parts and you have to use the formula. Like the cos 130, cos 40, sin 130, sin 40. Third part, you have to show that cos 130 degree, cos 40 degree plus sin 130 degree and sin 40 degree is equal to 0. This you have to show. So let the left hand side. How to show? Can you guess this formula? If you take as A, this as B, so cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, because the same type of angles in both the terms. And you know the cos A cos B sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B. Do you know this one? Yes, you know. Now using the same formula, this will be cos 130 minus 40. So this will be cos 90 and cos 90 is 0. It is proved. So using formula of sum and difference, you can find you can show the solution question. Then next question, like question number 24. Sin x minus y, prove that, into cos x minus cos x minus y into sin x is equal to minus sin y. This you have to show. Again, do you know the formula of, अगर इसको a मान लें इसको b, तो sin a cos b minus cos A sin B is equal to, this is the formula of sin A minus B. It means you can apply the same formula, so it will be, the whole one will change into A means x minus y and minus B means x, and then this will be x and x will be cancelled inside the bracket and sin of minus y. It will be minus sin y. Why? Because sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. This is the formula. So sin of minus y is equal to minus sin y, means is equal to right hand side. So these are the very simple question, but you have to learn the formula or do the practice for these formulae. Some more questions of this 25, 26 based on this. Now if we take the question number 27, here given that if alpha beta in the first quadrant, if alpha and beta in the first quadrant means 0 to 90 degree acute angle, and sin alpha is equal to 8 by 17, it is given 8 by 17. Cos beta is equal to sin alpha 8 by tan beta 5 by 12. Tan beta 5 by 12. Find the values of sin alpha minus beta, cos alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus beta. For example, cos alpha minus beta. If you open this, भाई इसमें तो वैल्यू रख नहीं सकते क्योंकि ये sin alpha दिया tan cos अल्फा cos बीटा प्लस साइन अल्फा साइन बीटा। तो साइन अल्फा ही मालूम है, बाकी कुछ नहीं मालूम है। तो यू मेक द ट्राइंगल, first triangle and take the alpha and use this in class 9th which you have read. Sin alpha is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this will be 17 and then you will get the third side and the third side will be 15. If you 17 square 289 minus 64, so 289 minus 64 means 225 and the square root is 15. आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस यू कैन गेट द जो भी जरूरत है कॉस अल्फा क्या मिल जाएगा 15/17 है एंड टेन अल्फा भी पा सकते हैं अगर जरूरत पड़ेगी तो 8/15 ओके देन यूज दिस इक्वेशन एंड फाइंड वन मोर ट्राइंगल ड्रा वन मोर ट्राइंगल इन दिस and tan beta is 5/12 so it is 5 it is 12 so this will be 13 and here you write the beta. After finding the third side can you find the sin beta 5/13 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Can you find the cos beta 12/13 means everything you can get by this way. After finding this you have to find the cos alpha minus beta and use the formula of cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta and put the value. अब जो वैल्यू आई हो देखो I have forget the value फिर से बना दें हम तो it will be 8/17 8/17 alpha and this is 15. अब वैल्यू रख रहे हैं तो cos alpha means 15/17 cos beta means 12/13 sin alpha means 8/17 sin beta means 5/13 and then multiply or simplify you will get answer means 180 plus 40 whole upon 221 no 13 sevens are 91 13 ones are 13 and 13 plus 9 221 so it will be 220 upon 221 this is the answer. So by this way you can find the other answers also. Now the one more question of the same exercise. If you want to find the 31 very important very easy question, prove that tan 13x is equal to tan 4x plus tan 9x plus tan 4 9 13. अब इसको हमको यहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा 4x tan 9x and tan 13x. This you have to show this one. How to show? By using the left hand side show the right hand side. This is very small and you have to break in this part, that is difficult. This is the big one, you have to change into the small one. This is also the, but if you take both the sides you will get the answer. कैसे? Tan 4x you can see the addition is 9 or plus 4 that is equal to 13. If you take this tan 4x, tan 9x, tan 30x in this side. So what you will have tan या इसको उधर ले लें तब भी हो जाएगा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. tan 13x minus tan 4x tan 9x tan 13x this part you take in the left hand side is equal to tan 4x plus tan 9x. Can you take common tan 13x? Yes. You will have 1 minus tan 4x into tan 9x. This is equal to tan 4x plus tan 9x. And then tan 13x is equal to you divide by this part take in the right hand side. मतलब इसे right hand side में लेंगे plus tan 9x whole upon 1 minus tan 4x into tan 9x. Do you know the formula of this? Tan A plus tan B 1 upon tan A into tan B, 1 minus tan. If A is equal to 4x, B is equal to 9x, then you will change into this formula, and this is equal to tan A plus B. This is equal to tan A plus B. So it will be tan 13x is equal to tan 4x plus 9x, means tan 13x. So both sides are equal. This is the way to find the solution in the shortest way. Then there are the questions in which you have to apply the componendo and dividendo. One more question, that is I can apply the componendo and dividendo. जिसे दिया भी गया है और you can apply the 33 question number 33 second part या first part कोई भी ले लें, इसमें दोनों ठीक है. tan A is equal to m tan B, it is given m tan B, and it is given show that cos x plus y upon cos x minus y is equal to 1 upon sin A minus B. This is the first part. This was the sin A minus B upon sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is equal to m minus 1 upon m plus 1. This part. You have to show this. How to show this? I tell you, equation 1 means the which is given quantity. I have to fill the ink. Given this equation 1, okay, proof. Tan A, can you write this tan A sin A upon cos A and tan B sin B upon cos B? Yes, you can write sin A upon cos A m into sin B upon cos B, and then sin A and cos B. Can you write the things? मतलब इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इसको इधर लेकर के इसको इधर लेकर के. यस, यू कैन राइट इनटू cos B अपॉन cos A into sin B is equal to m. Very simple. Then apply the componendo and dividendo and use this upon 1. So apply componendo and dividendo. You will get directly the question. Applying the componendo and dividendo, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B whole upon sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Do you know the formula of this part? The numerator and denominator? Yes, just now I have told it is the formula of A plus B, and this is the formula of A minus B. This is equal to m plus 1 upon, and asking sin A minus B upon sin A plus B, m minus 1 upon. So take invertendo or take reciprocal, you will get your answer. So this is the way. In that case you can find the value. Now by this from this question I end up my video, because other question you can do, and in the next video I will start the formula for product, converting product into sum and difference and vice versa. Thank you. Have seen.